Hello everybody, I'm going to walk you through how to use Zoom and PowerPoint to make and record a presentation, right? Both of these things are available to you as a student. So you can download Microsoft Office that's got Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. And then when you come to your login, somewhere when you get to My Century and you log in, my Zoom is down here. I've seen somebody else's Zoom up there. But where you see the Zoom, this is your Zoom account. And when you click there, you will want to host. This uses your student ID to log in. I've already done it, so it knows how to do that. So now I have Zoom available. Boop, there it is, right? When I'm ready to go, I am going to use screen share and record to make things work. So let's see, look at this. Oh, you know what? Because I am recording this using a different program, it's not letting the video work. That's okay. Imagine that's me over there. So, share screen will allow you to open up what you've got. I've got my PowerPoint right there. Once I click on this, it's going to bring it up, right? So, let me cancel that for a second. I am going to hit record to the cloud. After I do the video and shut down the meeting, 10, 15, 20 minutes later, I will get an email link to the recording, which means you'll get an email link to the recording. And that's what I've been doing to post discussions in many of the classes. That link is just what gets created here. So you can then share the link with other people and they can watch your presentation. So I'm going to hit record to the cloud. And right above here, you can see it's recording, right? Now I go to share screen. I've already opened up my PowerPoint and it's right there. I hit share. And so now you see this little green line around it. That is letting you know that this is the only thing being recorded, right? So then I could, right? Life after death, Egyptian style. Here's my presentation for Mythology 255. 255, 2055, right? And we could do a full screen, right? Just because I'm using multiple programs, I'm going to keep it simple. And this would even work. I can just click on the side, or be doing the full screen. As far as you presenting to class, I'm okay with this being full screen. I'm okay if we've got this on the side. And so then, boom, 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 give your presentation, right? Oh, fun fact, while you're doing this, Zoom will actually give you a transcript later on. Now, as you present, I highly recommend having a script, right? Because that way you're not trying to remember stuff or forget stuff on the fly, right? And you don't want a ton of words here. If you start reading a big paragraph that you cut and paste into here, I'm going to stop the recording, right? Because you just want to have phrases in there and you give us the details. Otherwise, we just read your PowerPoint. So, blah, 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 go through my presentation, get to the end, right? Presentation's over. Thanks, everybody. Then, right, when I hit stop share, actually, that'll get me a thing back to where I can see everything. And now when I hit end meeting, okay, the meeting's over, and I'm going to close that out. I am going to pause for 10 minutes until that link shows up in my email. All right, the shorter the video, the faster this is. So basically, it's been less than 5 minutes. Zoom's going to do a couple other things, but already I have the link. So I can take this link, copy it. Let's open up a new one. Ooh, and see what we got here. Play. This little green line around it, that is letting you know that this is the only thing being recorded, right? So then Not perfect. I've got some work to do on revising this, but for now it will get us started. The thing to remember is you have access to Zoom. Use screen share, use record, and now you're going to have a link that you can share with anybody, post in a discussion, for example, and we will all be able to see your presentation. So this is rough. Accept my apologies for that, but I wanted to get something done, and it's a starting point. Sometimes that's what you take. Okay. Whew. You know, I read in the paper that sometimes good enough is just that, good enough. So send me your questions and we'll keep moving forward.